Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the delightful world of fluffy steamed rice cake. Let's dive right in. First things first, soak that rice overnight for that perfect texture. Now, into the high-speed blender goes the rice with an equal part of water. Blend it up twice until you've got some creamy rice milk. Add in the flour and yeast, give it a good mix, and let it work its magic for about 3 hours. When you see those happy little bubbles, it's sugar time. Stir until those bubbles vanish into deliciousness. Grab a bowl, give it a quick oil massage, and pour in that fantastic rice milk mix. Steam it up for 20 minutes, and there you have it. The fluffy steamed rice cake is ready to steal the show. Give this recipe a shot and drop me a comment with your thoughts. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.